Okay, this is a demonstration of two features that are coming into MarcEdit. In the next update, this will be Windows version only. The first one is bringing back in the Marc editor the highlight lines. So this has been taken away for a while. I've brought it back, partly because I've been wanting to have it back. So you'll start seeing this here. You just check to re-enable it and then tell it OK. Once it's re-enabled, you'll be able to go to the editor. And when you open the files, you'll see that the lines start to highlight. The biggest reason why this got turned off was because when the way that Windows implements IME keyboards, so I'm going to show you what I mean. So say you have a keyboard here. The way that it implements it, when you start typing and then you eventually pick something, it replaces the characters on the screen and puts them back. The way that the highlighting works, it interrupts that process, and so it wouldn't work. So I had to take it away so that folks who are working with English language keyboards but still using IME keyboard interactions could still be able to participate and work within the application. The way that the tool works now, it disables the highlighting when an IME keyboard is present. When the keyboard is turned off, the highlighting comes back. So that seems to be a good kind of compromise, I think. And this way I can get it back, particularly since this was something a lot of folks had been asking about for a while because it was popular. The second thing coming in is when you update MarcEdit, you will see on the set default program screen a new option, XML Editor. Go ahead and check that, and that will put a new button on your screen. So I've already put it on. So this is my XML Editor icon. You'll also find it inside the Tools Editor. You can look for it here. If you go ahead and open it up, you'll see it's a very simple XML editor. I'm going to go ahead and open a file. So really this was designed to replace the very lightweight work that I tend to be doing a lot of times with XML files. A lot of times what I need to do is be able to do quick edits and then be able to validate the file and do transformations. So the tool is constantly validating the file. So if you're editing the file, say I make an edit, in 5 seconds, the tool will again revalidate the file. You'll see that it tells me that there's an error in the file, so that way you can always see what's going on, fix it. Eventually it will happen. It's in a thread. It will validate the file. You can force validation by clicking on this button, Validate Document or Validate Document. Like I said, what I intend to do a lot of times, I tend to do a lot of transformations. So I can transform documents. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration here. So I would say testing. Find the file. I'll work with. And then the tool outputs the data here, so I can see it here. Once I've done it once, the tool remembers the transformation, so I can select the other engine if I want to see the other engine. Or if I make a change to the transformation file and then want to reapply it, I can reapply it. Just like the Marc editor, the tool runs multiple windows, separate instances, so I can, if I wanted to actually open multiple, I could open an XSLT file I want to edit. Make an edit here. And go back to the other side and retransform the document using the new transformation. If an error occurs during the process, it'll throw an error here, but you can see the process here. If there was an error in the transformation or an error in the validation, the tool will throw an error. Right now, it's very simple. It's got normal find and replace functionalities. So find and replace. So essentially, it's just a fairly straightforward process here. And when I'm done, I can save the file or not. The tool includes a couple of small things for like capturing changes and stuff like that. Pretty straightforward. The tool will start using this anytime it's doing XML editing. So for example, in the rules file, I've implemented it into the XML view. So now it shows up here, so that way it's a dedicated XML editor. And yeah, that's it. I'll take requests in terms of how to update that as we go along, but I'm pretty happy with the way that this has turned out. This will show up in the update I'm planning for 4:16, I think. It'll probably be sometime in the later afternoon after everybody's working, partly so that I can talk about a couple of the changes in the webinar that's planned on Friday. So that's it.